What are you at down there?
At the Newport Canoe Club.
And what are you doing?
They're playing football out there. I'm just gathering up the players.
And how long is this club going for?
The club been going about 2 years.
About 2 years.
But the splash, the kids splashing that's going for 10, 12 years.
And that's mainly for kids, is it?
Mainly for kids, but I don't know welcome anytime.
And
Yourself would put you jumping off the quay wall. Or
I might be up to it. Never. I might be up to it. And is this a new sport, this kayak football?
Well, yeah, it might go viral now, will it?
It might go viral, yeah. But I've never seen this before. Are there many people doing it around the country?
No.
No.
No, honestly.
Or are they just Newport?
Yeah.
You seem to have a lot of people out there, haven't you?
Yeah, there's quite a few. Yeah. You're up to 45 some evenings.
And do you play other clubs or just among yours?
No.
No.
Just among ourselves. We usually go for longer paddles out the bay and stuff like that. Doing a big sponsor paddle, anyone that's interested, from Mulrenny to Newport.
From Mulrenny to Newport.
Would that be interesting?
That'd be. How many is it? 18k?
18k.
And when are you doing that?
In August.
And you have
After the bank holiday.
after bank holiday. And have you a lot of safety precautions? I see a boat out there, a rescue boat.
Safety boat, yeah. Everyone has life jackets, sure. We've 2 other safety boats, no need of them here.
They're-
And they are, but we'd have them out for the kids.
Oh yeah. Yes, it looks like a very interesting sport.
That's great crack.
Do you get wet?
Guess what? You come and join us sometime.
Show me how you get wet.
Keep trying them for the love. Tell them something.
You have a great line of them there.
Pardon?
You have a great line of boats.
If I tried them right, I wouldn't be pulling them up like that. Oh yeah, it's great crack. I will boat. We'll boat, about 300 members between kids and adults.
300 have you, yeah. And who supplies the boats?
Pardon?
Who supplies the kayaks?
Oh, we do. Oh,
So, do people have their own individual ones to do?
a few have their own, but
Yeah.
the majority of them are owned by the club.
Okay. You have a lot of them, haven't you?
That's what our fundraisers are about.
Oh, okay. You have to be able to swim to do this, no? No.
Move the ball! Move it! One for that! Take it in. Decide. Yeah. Run. Take it!
Thanks, brilliant. Yeah, I know. Well, I'm right. Definitely. But I won't do that online. It's brilliant. Staff is brilliant.
Down to Matt, the far side of the road. Right, so speed. Right, so, right, yeah.